Today we're going to open up our Ipsy bags, and as you can see, SinfulKitkat is here with me.
Again.
Yay! So, which one's mine?
Just grab the first one you see.
That is mine. Who do you want to go first?
You?
Me? You want me to go first?
Well, maybe me. I don't know.
You go first? What do you think of the color?
Is it like Valentine's Day already?
No, it's supposed to be like coral, like beachy colors. Coral.
It's not all.
I'm giving some sheet masks. You've been getting sheet masks. You don't even use them.
Yeah, because I changed my thing. It's a unicorn glow.
Show them.
Wengie would like steal this from me.
Okay.
No one wants to see your face right now.
Thanks.
But seriously, Wengie would steal this from me because she loves unicorns.
She's really into watching Wengie lately.
Mm-hmm.
So, that's cute. It looks like a little unicorn and hot chocolate on the front. With chocolate, mulberry, and honey. So, yeah. And you get 2 of them.
I like the colors of the bag, even though it's not even February.
Well, it's meant to be like summer colors, like coral.
That's not summer colors. No, look. There's a heart.
Yeah, they've done hearts on other days besides. Oh my goodness. Just pull out the stuff.
Oh my god.
What's that? Oh, that's cute.
One
The
looks
card.
familiar. It's gay pride.
Yeah, it's Pride Month.
But yet, this is not a very rainbow color.
I see a couple of people that I like, especially.
Yeah, that's who looks familiar to me.
Yeah, because I watch him a lot.
Yeah. Okay, so the first one. Well, obviously that was the first one. No, that was the first one. Ipsy Bags 6.
You get up there. It's kind of,
Focus!
it's the glare is the problem. It's the plastic's on it and it's
Hold
causing the
on,
glare.
let me.
Do you need the scissors?
I don't need sharp nails or sharp objects to open things.
You probably shouldn't be around sharp objects anymore.
So you're making people think that I'm that away.
I'm sorry, I was looking at myself. I'm so pretty.
The glare is still like there.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's shiny.
It's still shiny.
I know. No matter what you do, it's shiny.
I'm sorry, guys. You're
It's
just gonna
shiny
have
packaging.
to
Can I
look
see it?
up a picture.
Beauty Basics satin taupe.
Can I
Foiled
just be
eyeshadow.
honest? I don't like how they make this.
Oh, I like them like that. Little flips.
No. Here it is.
Yeah.
That's like.
We'll show them the color.
There's another. There we go.
Yeah.
Teamwork.
That's a nice color.
Yeah, I just don't like what they chose. Like.
You don't like the packaging.
Yeah, it's like really paper-ish. Bothers me when it makes that crinkling noise because it sounds like, no offense, but cheap kids makeup. I got a brush.
A brush.
By
Yay.
Luxie. Small shader. It says it. It says what it's used for.
I like it when they say what they're used for.
I know, it makes my life easier when
I hate it when they don't say anything on them. It's like, what? What
Yeah,
is this?
especially
It just says
me.
the name.
Especially me, when I look for your brushes, because sometimes I use them, I'm like, which is which? So I end up
understand.
using the wrong brush, and it's like, ugh. It's
Oh my god, that's so funny. Show them what you got.
annoying. Hold on, what is it?
It's a toner.
It says lotion.
I know, because I just, wait, is it? No, it's a toner. See, it says exfoliating toner.
But it says lotion.
It says lotion tonique exfoliant. That's just, it's a toner. After you wash your face, you take like a cotton ball and put some of this on it and rub it. I actually have it. She got the Pixie Glow Tonic, which I just bought recently. And she just got a sample of it. So funny.
There's like too many.
People go on and on about this. I've used it a few times. It is nice. The smell is a little odd to me, but it is like really nice. My skin, I feel, is better for it.
I need cotton ball.
There's a little cotton
I
ball.
interrupt you people with a cotton ball.
She wants to put on right now. Did you just wash your face?
Because I just cleaned my face.
Yeah, you did. Here's a pad. It's a cotton pad.
No, I thought it was some other pad.
I wonder where all this sarcasm comes from.
Yeah.
Who could possibly have made her so sarcastic?
Yeah. Am I beautiful now?
You're always beautiful.
Oh my god, thank you. I try every day.
Oh, look, you picked up some more dirt off of it. Did you see? Look.
God, how dirty am I?
Not much, just a little bit.
Sheesh.
She's so upset.
Sheesh.
Oh, you're such a dirty
Took a
person.
nice, good shower and I'm still dirty after that?
It's just your skin. Ooh, lippy.
Ooh, this is really fancy.
That's everything, right?
Luscious lip stain. Ooh, it's a lip stain. I like lip stains. It's shiny.
Your face is still there. No.
Your face is still there.
I'm gonna start like pulling my bag out.
Before you've worn everything.
I heard Pumpkin. He's yelling over there.
What?
Well, the card.
Why?
It's like a coral. It's a coral color. Coral's very popular right now. It's like a dark coral, in my opinion.
It's very dark. It's very dark.
They could tell.
Yeah, they can tell. That's not the end of the world.
Okay, so what did I get mine? I also got the Luxie
Hey!
brush, the same
Don't
exact
copy
one.
me. God.
That happens sometimes.
Disrespect.
I love these type of eyeshadow brushes. They're perfect for tapping on the lid. She's really...
Wow. Rude.
You're rude.
You're ruder.
Okay, I think I've got an eyeliner here. Wait a minute.
Can I just state the fact?
Beauty for Real. What color is it? In the navy, so it's a blue color.
You try to rub lipstick off of your hand with like baby, whatever that stuff
There's
is.
wipes right there.
Oh, whatever.
Would have been much easier.
You know what? Maybe I'd like to smell baby wipes. I've never thought of that.
No, I never thought of that.
They smell pretty good.
So, that's definitely a dark navy. It's a nice color.
You probably got another
I definitely will use this.
If you did, can I have it?
Yeah, but I don't think I got that. Formula 10.0.6. I've used some of their stuff before. It's pretty good. This is 3 times Sublime, 3-in-1 Blockhead, Wash and Scrub and Mask with pink grapefruit and jojoba. Okay. So, a mask. We know I love masks, so I always like to see what the smell is.
Do I smell nice?
Yeah, you smell like apples.
I smell like Dean, right?
Do you think Dean smells like apples?
I think he does. I feel like somebody would come up to him and be like,
did.
"Oh, you smell like."
She used some of the Zany Laney body spray. The Dude Where's My Pie one. We really like the body sprays, don't we? From Zany Laney.
I'm especially gonna like the grape one.
Oh yeah, she's waiting for the Spider-Man wannabe spray. I bought her full size.
And I love
She loves
the smell
that
of
scent.
grape.
So this is Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. You can't really. Let's open it.
I
Oh,
wish we had a camera that like.
Most cameras have trouble doing that, though.
Yeah, but there are cameras that can focus on the object.
I'm not getting much of a scent off of it, which is good. I like no scent better than a bad scent. I usually like pretty scents. So.
I would like a scent that smells like Dean.
Okay. And last thing in here, all packaged up in bubble wrap.
I'm telling you, I'm the center of attention. I need everyone's attention. Give me attention.
This is Sahi Cosmetics Cream Metallic Foil Eyeshadow. Oh, it's cream?
Click that bell if you love Bianca.
I like this. I like the color. I like the fact that it's a cream. I will definitely try this out. So, go with the rest of my eyeshadows.
You surprised me.
I surprised her. So that's our Ipsy Bags. Let us know what you think that you liked. For me, what did I like best? I'm thinking about everything that I got. I think I'm probably gonna like the mask the best. But I actually really appreciated everything that came in this one.
I'm afraid to wear this because
she's
it's
got
like
sheet
really
masks.
cute.
I bet it smells good.
There's a lot of masks that you haven't used.
Oh yeah, I have tons of sheet masks.
So don't complain to me that I don't wear masks.
Tons of sheet masks and mud masks and ones that I haven't got into. I need to do more Mask Mondays again, like I used to.
You do. We can do it together.
That would be fun. We could do it together. Both wear like a sheet mask or whatever.
I need to get more healthy.
Okay, so this is me and my crazy daughter, SinfulKitkat, who, despite how she looks, is an adult.
No, I'm pretty sure I'm like 12.
No, don't do that.
Nah, I'm 19.
Yeah, she's 19. And next year will be her last year of high school. Because she's doing a special program. It's called the Super Senior Program. So she's doing an extra senior year. She didn't fail. It's a program.
Yeah.
So, I want to say that because some people think if you do an extra year, that means you failed something. Well, you didn't do that great in gym, but...
Yeah, the only thing I failed is gym.
Yeah. So...
Everything else is like...
But the Super Senior Program just gives you an extra chance to get in more credits and stuff. So, that is what she is doing. Plus, she does the work program in school, too, and she helps as a teacher's aide. So, she's a very busy girl. Anyways, I don't know why I'm rambling on.
Because you love me.
I do love you.
Like, you want to hug me right now. Now, this is rare. No one ever sees us hug. This is like, literally, the first time we hugged on camera. This is my mom. No one can have her.
All I can smell is apple cinnamon.
You love it and you know it.
Alright. Thanks for watching. Remember to share, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And hit that bell twice if you want notifications. And always remember to be kind, even when you want to slap them in the face. Like that. Bye-bye, kitty cats.
Short. Holy crap. I'm so short. I'm a snake. I'm a snake.
Hi, kitty cat. You ruined it. You ruined it. You just won't let me do it. Okay. You ready? You're not gonna laugh?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm prepared.